Beleza. Eu quero saber em relação à astrologia mapa astral, que a gente já vem predestinado com várias coisas, mas o que a gente consegue mudar nessa vida praticando base mensal?
She's asking about like our birth chart, like we are already.
In this Kali Lord Advaita Acharya, when he will come, because that alien sound came. You know the story? When Advaita Acharya, he came in Navadvip Dham, and he saw the Brahmanas, they are following the rules and regulations of Brahmanical activities. People are not following the Yuga Dharma, not chanting holy names. Even the Panditas, they are not following the Vedas Dharma. Understand this? And they are also eating meat, fish, onion, garlic, and also what is called sacrifice the goat in front of demigod and demigod Kali, Shiv, Durga. Then Advaita Acharya become very angry. Advaita Acharya is thinking, I am the combined form of Sadashiv and Mahavishnu. So duties of Sadashiv and Mahavishnu, creation and destruction. So Advaita Acharya thinks, I am the creator or I am the destroyer. So I will destroy everything now. Advaita Acharya become very angry. Then the aerial sound came and pacified you, Advaita Acharya. Hey, Advaita Acharya, keep patient. Your master. And soon he will be arrive in Navadvip Dham. And he will be reestablish Varnashram Dharma and Juga Dharma Pavartan, he will do this. That time Advaita Acharya soon means here. Soon means not what is called specific time. 1 minute, 2 minutes. When airport, they are saying soon be body. Then again another 5 minutes delay. Then after 5 minutes again saying 10 minutes delay and delay, maybe 1 hour delay. First they announce boarding will be delay enough for soon. Then after 5 minutes they say delay, 5 minutes delay. Then again announce and 10 minutes delay. Then again announce 1 hour delay. Many flights they are doing this. They are not at a time saying the flight delay 1 hour. Always they are saying soon. Soon means not fixed time. So the real sound came. Hey Advaita Acharya, soon your master Vrinandan Samsundar, he will appear in the form of Sachinandani Gaur Hari. Because in this Kali Yuga Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will appear. This thing also mentioned in Srimad Bhagavatam. Takta Sudaccharam Sudha Rajya Lakshmi Dharmishta Arju Bachasa Jad Garna Rana Maya Megam Daita Psitam Anadhavada Bande Mahapurusate Saranar Vindam. This is fixed. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will come. But soon, real sound coming soon. Soon means where? There are no possible. Then Advaita Acharya, no. Now. So Advaita Acharya, he took Gangajal and Tulasi and offered to Krishna. And Krishna this is his, also Krishna saying, what he called it? No. Tulasi dava matrena jalasa chulukena va. Vikrinita sa atmanam bhaktebho bhaktavatsa. Krishna is saying this already. One who takes the Gangajal and Tulasi and offer to Krishna. Krishna completely what? Sold out himself. This was. So in this way, prove. Then Vrinandan Samsundar he appeared. In the form of Sachinandana Gaur Hari. So soon means maybe according to his time he will come. But when Suddha Bhakta calling, that time he will be also break this load. So in the same way, when the Suddha Bhakta is thinking, okay, I will change his what is called? Astrological, what is called? Chart, birth chart. Possible. I will just give example. Just I will give example. Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada. He changed or not? He changed. I am giving blessing. He will be not enter in your household life. What is the name of the Prabhupada disciple? Just I forget the name. I think Bhakti
Yavar.
Saranga Maharaj, na? Bhakti
Yavar.
Jajavar Maharaj. Anyhow, just also saying this. If you want, generally devotees they don't want to disturb to Krishna desires. Krishna desire is the best desire. What is it? But when challenged, that time they do.
When challenged?
Challenge, you thinking I will also break this law. And like Krishna took how? What is it called? Vow. I will not hold any weapons in the war of battlefield of Kurukshetra. Then Bhishma Pitama he took vow. If I the son of Santuni Putra, son of Ganga Putra Bhishma, then I will make the weapon in your hand. So he did also this. This lila is going. So Krishna's vow also had. Broke.
Então o voto de Krishna foi
Hã?
quebrado.
But this guy Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita also saying this.
Bhagavad Gita.
Hey Arjun, if I take vow, maybe I will not carry on my vow. So you take vow. No me bhakta anasthati. Hey Arjun, you take vow. Those are my devotee, they will be never perishable. So Bhakta Bhagavan Pradigya also this time. Possible. Impossible. So for this regard, Sanskrit what is saying this? English what saying? Possible is impossible, impossible is possible.
Impossível se torna possível, impossível se torna possível.
So
E quando a gente não quer sofrer, quando a gente canta os mantras, né? Pra gente não sofrer as consequências das nossas
another things. Actual astrologer is not proper way they are calculating. Maybe how many percentage? They are gazing. You understand? You can ask the astrologer, just is gazing this star, this star, this star, this star. Not proper. Or you are not giving your proper also, what is called? Date of birth, timing, everything is. If you give, they will be, if they are expert, they will be calculate. Understand this? But who knows when you took birth from the womb of mother?
Sabe o horário exato que você nasceu da sua mãe.
You are not the evidence that time.
Você não era prova nesse momento.
That time you are crying.
Só estava chorando.
Maybe third person just okay, just gazing. Oh,
Alguém
6 a.m. What is it?
6 da manhã.
And 5 past 10 minutes, something.
Às vezes teve 5 ou 10 minutos de diferença.
So, if the particular perfect the time, date of time of birth, then they will calculate.
Então, se tiver o momento exato,
Because this is true.
nasceu, o horário
And calculate
exato, aí
proper
vai
way.
ser perfeito.
So Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada,
Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada,
he was the great, what is it called? Astrologer. And proper way to do it.
Prabhupada, ele era astrólogo.
Nowadays you are just reading books and going to the computer for this.
Elas leem livros, elas vão
Now everything is a computer system.
hoje todo dia no sistema do computador.
Understand? If I tell to those who are astrologers, they become very angry.
Se eu falar isso para os astrólogos,
Actually, this I tell to honestly, they are just cheating the people.
mas
They are getting money.
estão só enganando as pessoas.
And I will tell you also, you will not think that, oh, okay, this happened. Then, okay, some happened, some not happened. So what happened?
Você fala, isso aconteceu, mas algumas coisas que o astrólogo fala acontecem, outras não.
Many also doing this, cheating the people.
De alguma maneira,
And
eles estão enganando.
most of the, I honestly tell you, most of the astrologers, they are cheating the people how to get the money. And create the fear in your
Também criando
mind also.
medo.
So Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj very strictly he ordered, no one should not go to the
De maneira estrita, ele
astrologer.
disse, ninguém deve ir para o astrólogo.
You also just lose money. And they create the many kinds of your doubts.
E os
And
astrólogos criam várias dúvidas.
who has no stomach pain?
Quem não tem
As you tell to me,
fala pra
oh, this dasa is coming, the stomach pain
mim, fala,
coming.
olha só, esse momento está chegando aqui, por isso você vai ter agora uma dor de estômago.
Are nothing. Oh, this problem is coming from the.
Tá vendo que esse problema aqui, ó, tá
Are why not solving? What is your problem?
Mas por que o astrólogo não resolve esse
Still, his astrologer, he is suffering many kinds of
astrólogo ainda assim, ele
and many material
está
problems.
sofrendo seus
Tell to him, you solve your problem.
problemas materiais. Fala para ele, resolve os seus problemas.
Then to tell to others.
Ao invés de falar para os outros,
Your wife also, what is it called? Left you, how to fix the other's wife. Oh, this is. Huh? Huh? Give me this. I am not saying that this is a mantra Shakti also there.
Existe não estou dizendo, mas tem
Huh?
uma chave.
Mantra Shakti is there. I cannot joke. There is no mantra Shakti. Mantra Shakti, everything is there.
Potência no mantra.
Huh? But have to siddhi, perfection.
Mas tem que alcançar a perfeição, Siddhi.
Many people without perfection, many siddhi,
Pessoas sem alcançar a
just they
perfeição,
cheating the people.
elas estão enganando os outros.
Huh? Understand? And if you know for the person, Krishna desires the best desire. You cannot
Mesmo
control
assim,
to anyone.
Krishna é o melhor desejo.
Only think Krishna is our maintainer. Krishna is our.
Pense que Krishna
What
é
is what will do?
mantenedor e protetor. O que mais?
I am not against other people. They are giving many kinds of not against. But when you what is called nirapeksha,
Neutral.
neutral you can discuss.
Mas quando você discute
What
de
will do?
maneira
How to
neutra,
do? Huh? Understand? Krishna knows everything.
Krishna, ele sabe de tudo.
One in Bhagavad Sapta, one lady is 9-10 years. She has no sons and daughters. She was crying and crying. I'm thinking I'm not sadhu. I cannot do anything. You do?
Ela estava chorando porque ela queria filho.
You do Ekadasi Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama
Faça Ekadasi, o Parikram de Giriraj Govardhan.
and take these fruits.
E aceita
She took fruits, then after 1 year,
depois de
or what is it called?
Baby. Gêmeos, você falou gêmeos.
twins.
Twins baby coming.
Ela teve gêmeos.
This is not my credit. I am not creating this miracle anything. Krishna desires.
Sim, é o desejo de
Just coming from my mouth I am saying.
Krishna. Eu falei assim.
I am honestly saying I am not
Eu disse de maneira
creating any miracle. This is not my miracle. All the credits of Krishna.
honesta. Eu quero
Doctor also surprised. 9 years he treatment, many doctors, doctor completely told not possible.
é impossível, você não vai ter filho.
So only I told.
Eu só falei,
You do 1 year you have to do
ano você deve
Ekadasi,
seguir a
Shuddha Ekadasi, Nirjala Ekadasi,
Ekadasi,
and do Giriraj Govardhan Parikrama.
Giriraj Govardhan Parikram.
Then Krishna will be desire. Krishna will give mercy.
Krishna vai dar misericórdia.
Don't think this is my credit.
Não tem isso.
It's credit of Krishna.
Meu crédito. Não é pra mim. É um crédito de Krishna.
So this is the thing. Krishna desires best way. Material things are possible also. Understand? This is. If we chant holy names,
Se você cantar os santos nomes,
then what will speak, that will be
se você falar,
perfect.
vai ser perfeito.
Just coming from your mouth.
Sai da sua boca, vai ser perfeito.
Understand this? Not chanting holy names are possible.
Não tá cantando
Many people not chanting holy names. Okay, I am giving blessing.
pessoas,
Okay, so something you are giving.
ajudando bem.
What is it called? Mridanga player. Okay, no problem. Honest I'm saying, okay. When Gurudev give blessing, we say, come blessing.
Tá bom, velho.
Mridanga player, chalo. Tere kata. Huh?
Nice blessing.
Nice blessing. Okay. If you are lucky, Krishna desires and you will get fruits, why not?
Se você for afortunado, se for desejo de Krishna, você vai receber o fruto.
Understand? If you are great fortune,
Se você tiver uma grande fortuna,
Krishna will give mercy. Why not?
Krishna vai dar misericórdia, por que não?
Krishna's mercy. Krishna desires the best.
O desejo de Krishna
Yeah.
é o melhor desejo.
Like that thing. Always think that Krishna is my maintainer, Krishna is my
Krishna é o meu mantenedor
protector.
e o meu protetor.
Allah.
Is it true? Is it true? Srila Bhaktivedanta Bhamana Goswami Maharaj did save the life of Janardhan Maharaj. He was seva in a car accident, and then he died, and then he asked Krishna, you already took one seva? So he came back, and then he resurrected again alive.
Yes. If he wants, then he'll think, okay. He told, okay, I'll do this. Do. Possible. Huh?
Died.
Who?
Janardhan. Gopikant Prabhu. When he got accident হলো যখন কোমাতে চলে গিয়েছিলেন অনেকে কি বলছে মানে মরে গিয়েছিলেন
He didn't die.
Are
I heard this. come back.
He desires it in the Krishna actual desires. Shuddha Bhakta, what is doing? Krishna desires his own desires also. Bhagavad Kripa, Bhakta Kripa, Anugamini. Bhagavad Kripa, Bhakta Kripa, Anugamini. Those who are related to each other. Understand? This is the thing.
Então, desejo
What Krishna desires. Those Shuddha Bhakta, he realizes what the Krishna desires.
da vaca realiza
Krishna desires thinking, this devotee have to
está desejando.
alive.
Aí se devota
Then he said, okay, you alive.
aí fica vaca, né? O desejo de Krishna
Eh,
vem quando
this is the
da
thing.
vaca.
Shuddha Bhakta never against
O da
the
vaca fica contrário
eh? desires of Krishna.
ao desejo de Krishna.
Eh? Understand this way? Never against this way. Eh? This is the thing. Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna.
Material que ela conhece.
What the Krishna's desires,
Que é o desejo de
she knows.
Krishna, ela sabe.
Eh? Sometimes Gurudev gives very nice example. You can see YouTube. Once Radha and Krishna, they also were swimming in the Radha Kunda.
Certa vez Radha e Krishna eles estavam nadando.
And
no
Srimati Radhika, she is swimming,
Na verdade,
side by side, Radharani is swimming.
Material que estava lá nadando e do lado
So,
dela Krishna.
Krishna Pakshas and Sakhas there,
Então,
this side.
Sakas, amigos de Krishna
Or
estavam lá.
Radharani's side, Sakhis are there.
Sakas, amigos de
Srimati
Krishna
Radhika, she is swimming.
estavam lá.
Side by side to Krishna. Both are going.
Estavam lado a lado.
Eh? Almost Srimati Radhika, she win.
Material que estava
Eh?
quase vencendo.
Almost
Estava
maybe 2 meters far.
Talvez 2 metros para chegar
Eh?
no final. Assim.
Then suddenly, then all the Sakhis, they also making clubs.
Todos os Sakas começaram a
Jai Radharani, Jai Ho, Jai Ho. And Sakhas, they are saying, Krishna, Jai Ho, Jai Ho.
Jai Krishna,
Eh?
Jai Krishna.
Suddenly, Srimati Radhika, she turned her face back to the Krishna in the back.
Porque Krishna estava para trás
Eh?
pouco.
Then Srimati Radhika, she is also
Radhika, ela
sink in the
afundou na
water. Eh? Then Krishna very quickly
Krishna rapidamente
and jump and
passou
touch
ela
the point.
e trocou ali.
So
ganhou
Krishna win in
no
this
final. Então,
race of the
Krishna
sea.
ganhou essa corrida, essa disputa.
Srimati Radhika, she will be
Materiálica,
and win. This
ela
is
iria
true.
ganhar. É verdade.
But now Srimati Radhika, she defeat. Then all the Sakhis, they become very upset.
Todas as
And Sakhas, they are very happy making the clubs.
felizes batendo palmas.
Then Lalita Abhiseka, they asked to Srimati Radhika,
Perguntaram pra
hey Radhe,
Radha,
why did you sink in the
você
water?
afundou na água, na
And Krishna jumped.
E aí,
So now you defeat.
você foi derrotado.
Then Srimati Radhika, she told,
Materiálica,
when I turn my face to back, Krishna is saying,
Krishna está
hey Radhe,
dizendo,
every time
todas as vezes
you
você ganha.
win. That this time let me to give chance. I had to
Vou ganhar uma
win.
vez, pelo menos.
look this. So Krishna disaster Srimati Radhika for this regard I knowingly
Então, o materiálica disse, eu
sink in the water,
gosto,
then Krishna
dei ali, Krishna passou.
get this win.
E aí ele ganhou.
So Krishna Dija. Srimati Radhika, what she is doing? She knows the heart of Krishna. She never against and any desires of
Ela
Krishna.
nunca está contra qualquer desejo de Krishna.
Prem Samput Grantha. Very clearly explain these
Foi
things.
explicado claramente.
When Krishna, he came disguised the form of, what do you name? Devangana.
Ele foi disfarçado
Krishna
de
asked
Devanga.
these things to Srimati Radhika.
Essas coisas para te bater.
Then Srimati Radhika, she told, I never against
Eu nunca
any
sou
desire of
contra
Krishna.
qualquer desejo de Krishna.
I know the heart of Krishna.
Eu conheço o coração.
What the Krishna? Even externally I am doing man, externally doing this. Actually, this is the exclusive pleasure for
Mas tudo isso é para
Krishna.
prazer exclusivo de Krishna.
Krishna Sukh Hetu Radhika Sab Karen Lok Vyavahar. Chaitanya said. According to the Krishna desire, Srimati Radhika, she perform all kinds of Lok Vyavahar. Look at that. External activity.
Todas as suas atividades externas.
Srimati Radhika, she did man. Why? Krishna is crying. Because Srimati Radhika, she realized, if I did man, Krishna will be cry, then this is the pleasure for
Você vai chorar, mas isso é para o prazer dele.
Radhika janena Krishna सकल इच्छा पूर्ण वंचित करें Radhika. Just Chaitanya Chuddi, some poet this way. Srimati Radhika, she knows the heart of Krishna.
Ela conhece o coração de
Huh? And she can fulfill all the desires of Krishna.
Ela pode satisfazer
কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্তি করে আরাধনে অতএব রাধিকা নাম পুরাণে বাখানে ভাই রাধা নাম ইজ কর রাধা
que Radharani
Here is saying very clearly কৃষ্ণ বাঞ্ছা পূর্তি করে আরাধনে হ্যাঁ শ্রীমতী রাধিকা she can fulfill all the desires.
satisfaz todos os desejos de Krishna.
Eh? So for the Ved Puran Upanishad, her name is called Radha.
As diferenciadas dizem que o nome dela
She knows everything this.
ela sabe de
Devi Krishnamai Prakta Radhika Paradevata Sarva Lakshmai Sarva Kanti Sanmohini Para. So Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Dev, every single word he also explained.
a palavra desse verso.
Radha Purna Shakti Krishna Purna Shaktiman Dui Vastu Bhed Nahi Sastra Praman. So there are many examples there.
Existem muitos exemplos.
So Krishna desire. Because Krishna he the supreme enjoyer.
Krishna é o desfrutador
Except
do
Krishna, everybody is called
Além de Krishna,
enjoyee. Vaishnava philosophy this is. One is called
na filosofia
enjoyer, one is called enjoyee.
que é desfrutar.
Eh? Krishna desire. Srimati Radhika she knows. If I do this, then Krishna will have.
Se eu fizer isso, Krishna vai ficar
Krishna's pleasure. So Srimati Radhika she performs all kinds of activities, even man, even she use her words, everything is what?
Quando ela fala áspera,
Krishna's pleasure. Externally,
do prazer para felicidade.
she is very angry.
Internamente ela tá
Eh?
brava.
She use the harsh words.
Usa
Why?
palavras duras.
Krishna's pleasure.
Por quê?
Krishna is saying, "Kriya jadi man kari kare vatsan, vedastiti hoite mor, hare mor man." Very clearly explained. Krishna says, when my beloved Srimati Radhika or gopis
Vai tirar de suas golpes.
use any harsh words, then I am very happy.
Duras comigo, eu fico muito feliz.
This is the pleasure. Krishna's pleasure.
Tudo é pro prazer de Krishna.
Yeah. So always think this. So those who are pure devotee,
Aqueles que são devotos,
they never also against
eles nunca estão
any
contra
Krishna's desire.
qualquer desejo de Krishna.
This is the thing. Externally you will think you this way. Okay, you she is saying, okay, the one devotee about to die
Tinha devoto que estava perto
and
de
in
morrer,
coma.
estava em coma.
Then Srila Gurudev Nanak Baman Goswami Maharaj,
Dev Vamana Goswami Maharaj,
he prayed to Srimati
ele
Radhika.
orou a Srimati
No.
Radharani.
Understand? And save his life.
Ó, salve a vida
Eh?
dele.
This is true. And one day that devotee will depart from this material world or not?
Salvo, mas um dia ele não vai partir desse mundo material.
Now, eternally will be
Eternamente ele vai ficar.
alive. This is that. No. This is the thing. Okay, Krishna is thinking, okay, hey, Bhavan Goswami Maharaj, you are this disciple,
Krishna estava
Eh?
pensando.
truly self.
Ó, Shila Vamana Goswami Maharaj, seu discípulo
Then externally he is saying,
salvo. Então,
okay,
eternamente ele disse, ó,
Yeah.
tá bom, salve esse
praying to
povo,
the
orando.
prayers coming. This is the thing. Suddha Bhakta can do this.
Tudo abaixo.
Actually, Suddha Bhakta, what he is doing, everything
Tudo que ele está fazendo
Krishna's desire.
é pelo desejo de Krishna.
And Krishna इच्छा बिना फल धरी बारे नारे हैं बहु द्रव्य यदि থাকে तब घरे हैं और इस कृष्णर इच्छा बिना से खाई बारे नारे चैतन्य भागवत in your house many kinds of preparation
Na sua casa pode ter várias
laddu kachori
preparações,
many kinds of preparation
vários.
हैं but कृष्ण तारे दिया আছে एक कठिन रोग हैं many rich person Ambani. Huh? You understand? Ambani understand? No. One of the biggest, what is it called? Richest person.
Pessoa mais
And among the in this material world. A lot of wealth of money.
milionário,
Huh?
milionário.
Understand? So just to give an example,
Estou dando um exemplo.
his frees many kinds of
Ele tem
preparation.
muita comida,
Eh?
muitas preparações.
But Krishna तारे दिया আছে एक महारोग.
Mais pelo
But
desejo
Krishna is giving Krishna has given and one very what is called Maharog. Rog understand disease. He cannot eat.
E aí ele dá
All his family members are eating
consegue comer todos os
Eh?
membros da família dele.
rice or different kinds of preparation. Rasgulla. But he is maybe I know. I just giving example.
Dando exemplo.
Maybe he has high blood sugar. Everybody eating rasgulla, how he is looking. Huh?
Muito de diabetes ou algum problema.
This is true. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying,
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ele tá
কৃষ্ণ তারে দিয়াছে অনেক লক্ষ ভোজ্য দ্রব্য যদি তাকে গড়ে কৃষ্ণ ইচ্ছা বিনা ভোগ করিতে না পারে। और this another prayer also just I forget. ये ताते कृष्ण तारे दियाছে एक महारोग। रोग means disease.
droga, quer dizer uma doença.
Only your wealth money you cannot enjoy.
Não é só porque você tem dinheiro que você vai conseguir desfrutar.
Krishna diya.
Depende do desejo de Krishna.
Understand? Who has no bed, he wants to sleep,
Quem não tem cama,
but he has no bed. Or who has nice bed,
às vezes a
but
pessoa
he
tem
cannot
cama
sleep
muito
on the
boa,
bed.
ele não consegue deitar naquela cama, ele não consegue dormir.
Look, this is the nature of this material
É a
world.
natureza desse mundo material.
Understand? Poor person, he has no bed,
Pobre não tem cama,
sleeping on the road.
dorme
He
na
wants
rua,
to sleep. He is sleeping on the
ele tá
floor.
dormindo no chão.
A rich person, very nice, beautiful, soft bed, but so many also have.
Macia,
Tension. Night time cannot sleep.
muitos problemas na cabeça, não consegue
What is the
dormir.
meaning of the soft bed?
Então, qual o significado de ter uma cama macia?
So this Chaitanya Bhagavat saying this way.
Chaitanya Bhagavata diz
Just I forget this poem.
dessa maneira.
But this is so Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, Lakcha bhakcha drabya যদি তাকে করে বা কৃষ্ণ ইচ্ছা বিনা ভোগ করিবারে না। Without Krishna desire cannot do. What is
Sem desejo de Krishna, você não pode comer, não pode fazer
that? So always I emphasize this word, Krishna desires is the best desire.
Enfatiza esse ponto.
What will
que
do
o desejo de
nothing.
Krishna é o melhor desejo.
But Suddha Bhakta always is what? Following the desires of Krishna.
Mas o Siddha Bhakta está sempre
É?
seguindo o desejo de Krishna.
So sometimes we give this example.
Às vezes eu dou esse exemplo.
There is one boat, 100 people on this the boat.
É barco
And in this boat, one sadhu is there.
e lá no meio tinha
When
cara.
boat came in the middle of the river, then big storm
Do
came.
rio veio uma tempestade.
And boat about to,
O barco começa a balançar
Sim,
e
sim.
está prestes a
and big waves coming.
várias ondas.
Then all the passengers, the boat, they cried, what to do now, we die.
Começam a chorar.
A sadhu is the sick, not crying,
O
nothing.
sábio está tranquilo.
When the waves coming, sadhu, welcome, waves come inside. Help.
Quando vem as ondas com a água, o sábio está dando boas-vindas.
People are looking, how is this sadhu, he is crazy.
E aí todo mundo olhou e pensou,
É?
como esse sábio
Then
tá?
after a few minutes,
Depois de alguns minutos,
then waves stop, everything. And sadhu took the water
começa a tirar a água do barco.
from the boat and throw it. That time everybody asked, why do?
Todo mundo pergunta, por que você fez isso?
Why do you welcome, why did you welcome the waves of the water come inside?
Água pra dentro.
And now you also throwing this water from the boat. Why? Then sadhu is saying,
É o sábio disso.
when big waves coming, them think, oh, Krishna desires our boat have to
O barco tem que
and
afundar.
sink in the water. So I welcome, okay,
Dando
come.
boas-vindas, tá ajudando.
And now Krishna desires, no, boat should be
Krishna não, o barco tem que ficar aqui.
safe.
Então eu estou ajudando, seguindo o desejo
É?
de Krishna.
Suddha Bhakta, this is Deva.
Assim é o desejo do Siddha Bhakta.
Or Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this song also, তুমি सर्वे सरेश्वर ब्रजेंद्र कुमार तुम्हारो इच्छाई जीवे जन्म everything is of Krishna is here.
Então, nessa canção Bhaktivinoda Thakur explica como tudo é o desejo de Krishna.
This is the thing. Bhakti is this thing. Bhakti means always anukulasya grahanam, pratikulasya varjanam. Anukul accept and
Quer dizer que você deve aceitar
Pratikul, those
tudo
are
que é favorável e rejeitar aquilo que
reject.
é desfavorável.
this is the thing. Okay, understand?
O que a gente faz para tirar o desejo de cima da gente?
Saying how to get, how to remove the material desires from the heart.
Chanting holy names. There are no any other process. Chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. No criticize to anyone. Do bhajan and sadhana. Very simple. Possible. All your material desires will be automatically disappear from your heart. Hare Nama. And after saying the Hare Nama, Hare Nama, Hare Nama eva kevalam. Kalu nastiva, nastiva, nastiva gatirana. Kalu jiva naam sankirtan. By the pardon, karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Many kinds of austerities you cannot conquer this one. People they are doing, but the yoga process, maybe that second, that control. Then again come. So for the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Jat Pada Pankaja Palasa Vilasa Bhakta Karamasam Gaditam Udgatayanti Santa Tadavanna Raktam Matayu Jatayu Srota Gunastam Bhaja Vasudeva. This Jat Pada Pankaja Palasa Vilasa Bhakta Karamasam Udgatanti Santa Tadvanna Tadvanna Riktamata Jato Niruddha Sota Gunastam Bhaja Vasudeva. Bhagavad Naam. Kali Yug, only this holy name. Yogis, Gyanis, they perform hard austerities. Hey, take care of me. Kormi, Gyani, Yogis, they perform the hard austerities, how to control their last entire things. But Bhakta, those are pure devotees, just rendering, chanting holy name. Easy to control. Should we chant holy name? People are not chanting holy name, they think, oh, mind disturbed. All the medicine is only one medicine, not many medicine. Mahaprabhu brought one medicine from Golok Vrindavan. What the medicine? Harinam Mahamantra. Aniyachi Enechi Aushadhi Maya Nasi Bar Lagi. Harinam Mahamantra Love to be Magi. Magi. Ask, oh, give me this medicine. What medicine? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare. This is that. Possible. All that mystic power, everything will come. But pure devotees, they don't want to show any kinds of mystic power. Yesterday, what is my Gurudev's servant? Nishingananda Prabhu? Who is staying in Giriraj Govardhan, and he took sannyas. His name is Govardhan Babaji. He was the servant of Srila Gurudev Vaman Goswami. Listen very nicely. He is saying, very nice katha. My Gurudev is completely renounced person. He took one disciple, Nishingananda is the disciple. Servicing, completely surrendered. Then he is going, and my Gurudev is not keeping any money thing. Nishananda, he kept 10 rupees, Indian 10 rupees in his pocket. That time he is coming from, they are coming from the Assam. Yes? Just to Devananda Gaudiya. Then Gurudev told, hey, Nishananda, how many monies have you in your pocket? Today Gurudev, only 10 rupees. Then Gurudev told, hey, give me 10 rupees. Well, you are going to Navadvip Dham. Have to serve Mahaprabhu. Then 10 rupees. That time 10 rupees also not so. Okay, so Gurudev told, okay, And you bring some,
E aí Gurudeva falou.
what is called? And then in Navadvip, Kacha Rasgulla, na? Kacha Rasgulla, one kinds of best Rasgulla, na? I don't know. It's called Kacha Rasgulla. Huh? Understand? What do you buy?
Ele falou assim, traz doce especial.
Then he returned back. Well, they asked the 15 rupees. Man, need more?
Aí ele falou assim,
5 rupees. In the meantime, one person came and also do pranam to Gurudev and give the
reverências para Gurudeva.
5 rupees. Same time.
5 rupees.
Miracle he
Naquele
do.
momento. Ele falou assim, milagre.
Then Gurudev told, okay, take this,
Gurudeva
5
falou, tá bom,
rupees.
toma aqui, ó.
Then Gurudev, he gave 5 rupees. Then,
Deu 5 rupees.
eh? Rasgulla he brought and offered to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
Especial.
Huh? So Gurudev is saying, that Nishyananda is saying, the Gurudev desires that today I will offer to
Não, ele disse,
eh,
né, hoje é o desejo
Mahaprabhu
que eu posso oferecer para
this
Mahaprabhu.
Rasgulla. Actually, if you go Navadvip,
Você for para Navadvip,
and one kinds of best
é o melhor tipo de
sweet, that is name is called Kacha Rasgulla. Eh? Kacha Rasgulla means they are making the Kacha that the Rasgulla with the pure, what is it called? That is chana. Eh? Chana? Or in English term? Soft paneer. Eh?
eles fazem essa raça
If you go ask the Bengali what they are saying this way. Kacha Rasgulla. Eh? They make it very sweet also. Generally people they put many kinds of what is called some atta, maida, mix, other things also cream, something they give. But this Kacha Rasgulla means only pure and paneer. So Gurudev, these are coming.
Então, Gurudeva
Yeah, today,
ele
I will.
veio. Hoje,
Okay.
eu quero oferecer isso para Mahaprabhu.
And over to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Then he told, very nice katha he is saying.
Então, ele contou esse catálogo belo.
Gurudev, he came one house
Gurudeva foi até a casa,
and in Assam or somewhere.
em ação, em algum lugar.
He did not give impression, he did not give the information. Yeah, I am coming your house.
Ele não avisou que
He
ele
came
estava
his
na
house.
casa do devoto.
And only Gurudev
Só Gurudeva
or his servant Nisiganand.
e o servo dele nesse
That
lugar.
time that person is not in the house. They went to
A pessoa
the field, cultivate the field, you know.
não tinha ido cuidar ali da
Very,
terra.
very simple people. And that house also closed the locked.
E aquela
Locked.
casa estava trancada.
So how to enter?
Como entrar na casa?
Then Gurudev told,
E aí Gurudeva disse,
okay, Nishyananda, make the clubs.
Fernando, bata a palma.
Make club. Then the lock open.
Ele bateu palmas e a porta trancou.
Then he enter. Householder not in there.
O dono da casa não estava lá.
Then Gurudev entered
Aí Gurudeva
and
entrou.
Nishyananda told, just say put Ganga Jal with there.
O Fernando ele colocou a água do Ganges ali.
Understand? They are always keeping. My Gurudev always is saying, keep Ganga Jal.
Sempre dizia
Small bottle.
sempre andar com água.
Only I am also carrying Ganga Jal.
Sempre carrega.
I bought from where?
Eu trouxe de onde?
No, just I bought from. Just coming from where?
Bem,
Spain. And then,
na Espanha eu trouxe esse água.
always you keep Ganga Jal
Deve
and
carregar pouco de água do Ganges
water of the Ganges and Ganga Mitti there.
e pouquinho de
This is very important.
terra do Ganges.
Keep always.
É muito poderoso.
Always when you travel, always you keep two things.
Sempre carregue duas
Ganga Jal, Tulasi, leaves,
água do Ganges, folha de
And?
Tulsi,
Bhagavad Gita, small Bhagavad Gita.
Bhagavad Gita pequena.
It's very important. Always I am every time, always I am
Todas as vezes, pra onde eu vou,
understand? In my bag, always here.
na minha bolsa.
Ganga Jal,
Água do Ganges,
Bhagavad Gita, and Tulasi leaf. Dry Tulasi leaf keep in your Tulasi leaves. Understand? Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita always keep. This is very important. Yeah. So, what did he say? Then he told, just yesterday I listened his
ontem eu escutei
Gurudev katha he told.
Esse catar de Gurudeva.
Then he cleaned everything to put Ganga Jal. Then Gurudev lay down. Gurudev told, I'm very tired.
Eu disse, eu tô muito cansado, vou descansar.
Then after a few minutes there, the owner came. He said, who is my house? And who opened this way?
Falou, quem abriu a porta?
That time Gurudev told, I did this.
Aí Gurudeva disse, né?
Then they cooked and they took prasad.
Aí eles cozinharam, serviram pra chave.
Miracle.
Foi milagre.
Vaman Goswami Maharaj,
Srila Bhamana Goswami Maharaj,
his miracle was.
muitos milagres na vida dele.
He can do anything.
Ele pode fazer qualquer
If he wants, he can do it. No need to say. And even sometimes also, when he return back in Navadvip, even he's asking, hey, where is the key in my room?
Às vezes, quando ele voltava para a Navadvip, ele perguntava, cadê a chave do meu quarto?
Look this. So, what Suddha Bhakta, what is doing, what is not doing, very difficult to
Quando a
understand.
Bhakta faz ou ele deixa de fazer, é muito difícil de entender.
Very good.
Às vezes ele faz um milagre e às vezes não sabe nem usar a chave do próprio quarto.
So you chant holy names, then you control or your last anger, enviness possible. Everything. Chant holy name, always saying chant holy name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So, don't and then never criticize to anyone. On your life, you think
Uma vida,
no need to criticize. Chant holy name. Who is doing bad things, you will be die. You will be suffer. This is not your business.
não tem nada a ver
Your business, chant holy name.
com o seu negócio. O que você deve fazer é contar
What he is doing, what not he is
com
doing,
ele ou ela está fazendo ou deixando de fazer.
and never also blaspheme to others.
Nunca blasfeme os outros.
So yesterday, one day I also gave one very katha,
Eu dei esse
and about the Socrates. You read also Socrates, Greek philosophers. Socrates.
Socrático.
Socrates. Just I give you the one mundane people. He is not the pure devotee. Socrates. Socrates, when he was sitting, then one his friend came.
Então, Sócrates, quando ele estava sentado,
You read his life history.
pode ler a história
Internet you can go on.
leia na internet.
Then he asked, then his friend told, hey Socrates, do you
Um
know
amigo dele disse,
this person is your enemy?
essa pessoa aqui, ó, é seu inimigo.
Just to point out this only. And he did this. We should be very good. Then Socrates, he told, okay, I will be take 3 filters. He used this word. I will do the 3 filters, I clarify. First filter, he is using his word.
Eu vou avaliar essa pessoa no meu
First
inimigo
filter
com 3 filtros,
is that
baseado em 3.
who told you he is my enemy?
Quem disse pra você que ele é meu inimigo?
Who told you?
Quem disse?
Or someone told.
Alguém disse.
Who do you believe that person?
Mas você acredita nessa pessoa?
His person is good or bad?
Essa pessoa é boa ou
First
ruim?
filter.
Primeiro filtro.
Who told you this person is your enemy? They think. Do you know these people? Who told you? Then he told. Socrates' friend told. No.
Sócrates disse,
I did not know that person.
eu não conheço essa pessoa.
So how did you believe?
Então por que você acreditou? Como acreditasse?
Then Socrates told, okay, you give this message.
Tá bom, você tá me dando essa
Good message or bad message?
Essa mensagem é
First,
boa ou ruim?
second filter. He used this word.
Filtro, né?
Good message or bad message?
Mensagem é boa ou ruim?
Or this is bad message?
Mensagem é ruim.
Why giving this bad
Você
message
está
to me?
trazendo essa notícia ruim.
Okay.
Tá bom.
Third filter.
O terceiro filtro,
Socrates is saying,
Sócrates diz,
this person is my enemy. Or he criticized.
você está dizendo.
What benefit will you get?
Qual benefício você vai ter nisso?
Yes.
What benefit will you get? Very nothing. So why are you telling to me?
Então por que você está me
You don't know this message is perfect or not.
sabe se essa
How do you believe?
notícia é correta ou não, é boa ou não? Como acreditar?
Some person told,
Uma pessoa disse,
and your hat stolen by the crow.
E o seu chapéu foi
Hã?
levado por um corvo.
Understand? कोई तुम्हारा टोपी के चोरी करके ले गए. अरे you touch your head
Toca na sua cabeça.
in your head on your.
O seu chapéu só foi
Just some person
uma
told.
pessoa falou.
So how possible feel?
Como que você vai acreditar?
Huh? And that person told he is good person or bad
A pessoa
person.
que falou é uma pessoa boa ou ruim.
Huh? If you don't know that person is a good
Você não
person,
sabe se essa pessoa é boa ou ruim.
so how will you believe in it?
Como acreditar no que ela está dizendo?
Huh? Many people are blaspheme.
As pessoas estão blasfemando.
Huh? This is the material of the world. Most of the 99% people,
99% das pessoas,
they are nature to make the
a delas
and blaspheme.
é blasfemar.
Defame. What is what? Huh? And defame. This is okay, do this. Look this. And if you not 100% to concern, this is the how you believe this?
Se você não tem 100% de certeza, não está confirmado, por que você vai acreditar?
So you read, you go to the internet
Então, lá
and
na
ask
internet,
the Socrates, what is it called? Socrates, and like is written on
sobre a
the
vida de Sócrates,
three filters.
ensinamentos, sobre os 3 filtros.
Because most of the people also, their heart is full of lust and anger,
Pessoas têm o coração cheio de
stupid nonsense for just this regard. They also imposing to others.
essas elas impõem isso nos outros.
Eh? Understand? Stupid nonsense person. They are stupid nonsense. So for this regard, they are looking, oh, he is stupid. Also.
Então elas olham para os outros e dizem, ah, ele é assim, assim.
I am stupid, so he is stupid.
Ele também é estúpido.
Understand? Stupid person always
Estúpida,
will that.
vai sempre agir assim.
Now, okay. Finish. Chalo. 7:45. No, 7:40. To go take prasadam. So, never criticize anyone. Do bhajan and sadhan.
Faça bhajan e sadhana.
Kahar ninda pade Krishna Krishna bole. Ajay Chaitanya se jini be. For this regard, yesterday I gave this very nice story.
História muito bela.
Understand? So who is taking the offenses of king? Remember, yesterday I told you. Who is taking? That the villagers, those who
Aquelas pessoas que lá
criticized to
ficaram
king who disguised the form of sadhu.
passadas como sábios.
Understand? That sadhu is not attached with the younger, nothing.
O sábio não estava
But villagers think, gazing, oh,
pessoas do vilarejo.
why sadhu is staying in his house?
Por que o sábio ficou mais um dia na casa dele?
Oh, must be this sadhu attached with.
Deve ser que ele estava
Yeah.
ligado àquela jovem.
So blasphemy or not?
Então eles blasfemaram o sábio ou não?
If sadhu attached, that is another
Se o
story.
sábio tivesse
Não,
apegado
sábio
a
não
outra coisa,
attached.
mas ele não estava.
And the king who disguised the form of sadhu, just he would, why he was staying on another day, delay, why another day? Could you remember? Why? Just he want to listen the judgment.
Queria escutar ali o
Hã?
julgamento da
Brahma e
decisão.
Shiva. Brahma e Shiva.
So Brahma and Shiva what is giving the
Ah,
judgment. For this regard, he told, this is my case.
não dá. Por isso que ele ficou mais um dia.
This story is very perfect story.
A história é uma história perfeita.
King is thinking, oh, this is actual
O rei estava pensando,
my life
na
history.
verdade essa é a minha história.
I feed the Brahmanas.
Eu alimentei os brahmanas.
And 100 Brahmins died. So Brahma Tapa coming to me
O
also.
recado de matar os brahmanas vem para mim ou não?
So I have to suffer.
Eu tenho que saber, eu tenho que ficar mais
This
tempo
comes.
para saber.
But Brahma Shiva, they give the decision. The kings, all the sinful going to the
Na verdade, todos os pecados
villagers
do rei vão
because they
para o
criticize.
vilarejo porque elas criticaram.
So if you criticize to
Então, se você criticar
mundane people
pessoas
or
mundanas,
anybody, that reaction will come to you.
as reações dessas pessoas
For
vão
this
vir
regard,
para você.
this is from Bhagavata, no nindati, no prasangsati, parasvabha karmani, no nindati, no prasangsati. or the next line what? The last is saying patanti adha. If you also degrade it, use this word.
Criticar, aí o que acontece?
Patanti
Você vai
aso.
degradar.
Also mean very quickly you will be also
Rapidamente,
degraded
você também vai.
because all these bad things will come to you.
Todas as coisas ruins dessas pessoas que você está criticando vão vir para você.
Glorify to sadhu.
Glorifique o sábio.
No criticize to others.
Não critique aos outros.
No need to bad thing. Criticize.
Não precisa criticar ninguém.
These are things. A sadhu glorify what time? When sadhu will die.
E o sábio, você deve glorificar ele quando? Quando
Understand?
ele morrer.
So for this Bengali word say, sadhu marle chai hoi tabe tar gun gai. Actually this word recited by Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami
Na
Maharaj.
verdade, Bhakti Rashad Maharaj conhecido
Just remember, one day in his Harikatha,
dia no seu
he
Harikatha,
told,
ele disse:
just remember, when you glorify the sadhu, when sadhu will die,
quando você deve glorificar um sábio, quando ele morrer.
then you see his life history.
Aí você pode ver a vida dele.
Before dying, he is glorified this
Se
thing.
morrer, se você glorificar
And
ele,
after his then we see he is also doing many bad things.
mas depois que ele morrer, você vai ver que ele fez várias coisas erradas, ruins.
So, sadhu marle chai hoi tabe tar gundai. And this is the nature. So when one person is living in this world,
Essa é a natureza.
they no one to write his life history. Very rare.
Está nesse mundo, ninguém fala sobre a história de vida dela.
Java Dharma explain this.
Java Dharma explica isso.
And when the person name will be what is called his book or his glorification book, biography is when manifested, when he left his body.
Quando você escreve a biografia de alguém,
Understand this
já
thing.
partiu.
And then published. Maybe just writing in the what is called
Talvez você possa
manuscript,
escrever, né, um manuscrito
Hã?
que é publicado só depois que a pessoa parte.
not published. But when Guru Vaishnava they departed, then
Grava, eles partem,
published, coming to
sim, é
the
publicado
people.
para as pessoas.
Understand? Any our Guru Vargadev, they are
Pode ver no nosso Guru Vada,
life history
a história de
when
vida,
published,
quando foi publicado,
when they departed from this material.
partiram desse mundo material.
Except exceptional case, very rare.
Casos,
Possible also.
específicos, excepcionais, é possível também.
Whose life history manifested when he was alive.
A história de vida de
I
Paulo
don't know, maybe
Vaishnava
very rare.
foi manifestada quando ele ainda estava vivo.
Guru Dev,
Huh?
Deva Madhava Maharaj wrote.
Are you wrote or not? That time he manuscribed. Manuscribed understand? Not when Gurudev alive, not published. My Gurudev this. Cannot publish the book. When Gurudev alive, that Madhav Maharaj not published the Gurudev life history. This
A história de vida do Sr. Gurudev.
When Gurudev departed,
Gurudev partiu,
that time this is the rules also.
é a regra.
And if anybody doing this is the exceptional case. If you do
Só
this,
faz, é um caso,
this is not the rules.
uma exceção, né? Caso à parte.
Only Bhaktivinoda Thakur, when he alive, he wrote, I am Kamal Manjari. Mind who did this. Before no one did it.
Eu sou o
At that time, situation was this. For this regard, Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
Era uma situação
he emphasized, yes.
estabelecer.
Because that time so much Savaji Sokhi Beki, they against Gaudiya Vaishnava. Oh, Gaudiya Vaishnava, they have no Rasa, no Manjari Bhav. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur,
Eles não têm manjeribado. E aí,
he wrote this. My name is, what is called? Kamal Manjari. My service is this.
esse é o meu serviço.
According to the situation, that is the rare
É uma
case.
situação, mas é muito raro.
Understand? Reader. So, when Sadhu departed from the world, then his life is
Parte desse mundo, aí a história de vida dele é publicada. É manifestada.
understand this. Read the press. Particular Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told to Rayavan,
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu,
hey Rayananda, I am showing this the confidence thing.
eu tô te mostrando algo confidencial.
According my this what is called Bhoma Lila, when I am saying, don't you tell to anyone.
De acordo com essa minha lila que eu tô realizando aqui, não fale pra ninguém.
Understand? This is also mentioned in Shastra. And यह गोप्पो कथा तुम्हें कहारे न कहिबा. Even Chaitanya Mahaprabhu told the Tattvic Vipra also. Read Chaitanya
É
Mahaprabhu.
mesmo que Chaitanya Mahaprabhu falou para aquele...
Yeah, I am same Krishna. I am
Eu
same
sou o mesmo Krishna.
Nandanandan Krishna.
Nandanandana Krishna.
Hey Brahman,
Hey, Brahma.
don't you tell to anyone.
Não fale para ninguém.
This is the process also.
É o processo.
Those who are doing, this is called,
Aqueles que fazem...
in my Gurudev word, that is called Ghoda Dinge Ghas Kha. Ghoda Dinge Ghas Kha.
The horse always eating the grass. They saying, oh, horse is jumping and eating grass. Dinge means jumping.
Huh?
Usually he's
Ghoda,
always eating grass.
they the upakan hoga they then.
Jump, you cannot eat grass.
When the horse drink or eating the grass,
Comendo a grama,
there is one barrier. And grass is giving this there.
tem tipo uma barreira e a grama
Horse
tá
cannot cross that the barrier.
consegue passar essa barreira.
Horse just is
Cavalo,
what is your long neck and
com seu
taking this.
pescoço que é longo, ele alcança a grama.
And if horse is thinking, I will jump, go that
Mas
place,
se o cavalo pensar,
cross
vou
the
pular essa
barrier,
cerca, essa barreira,
and that is impossible.
é impossível.
And those who are same in the same way, Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, in his nectar of instruction express, those who are doing extra thing, that is called this one,
Eles que fazem
illegal.
coisas, na verdade, é ilegal, é incorreto.
Understand? These are things. This is not, you can do this.
Impostures. Imposture.
Imposture.
Impostores.
You read Upakkan Upade Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, he also there.
Devem ler
That Bengali word saying, Ghoda dingiye ghas. No, Ghoda. This. So always following the rules. This. So when Guru and Vaishnava saying,
Vaishnava,
you can also manuscript, write your.
material, você pode escrever uma
You can keep.
para você mesmo, você pode manter ali.
When Guru and Vaishnava departed, then you can. This is good. These are rules.
Essas são as regras.
What is it?
You said after you become ashes, then you glorify sadhu, because maybe before sadhu or not, who knows? Because when the person, my understanding is correct, I asked Gurudev, after the person departs, then everything the person did, if he did some mistake with him or something like that, he will say, he will speak up. Then that's why.
When sadhu departed from this material world, then we realize he's taking his good things. Not that taking any bad things. You understand? Understand? As like when the Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada and his brother, he against also the mood of Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada. I think Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada's brother, no? What is his name? Jati Lalitananda something. Lalit Prasad.
O irmão de Bhaktisiddhanta
Not
Saraswati
accepted.
Prabhupada, ele era contrário a Srila Bhaktisiddhanta.
Understand this? So his life history knocks our those who are lying in the Gaudiya Vaishnava, Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada, they are not accepted.
Aqueles que estão na linha, né, Gaudiya Vaishnava de Bhaktisiddhanta Saraswati Prabhupada, eles não aceitam a história de vida do irmão dele que era contrário a ele.
Because he before he was following to Prabhupada,
E antes
then
ele seguia Prabhupada,
he against Bhaktisiddhanta Prabhupada.
contrário a Prabhupada.
So, reject.
Prabhupada, então a gente rejeita.
Understand? So for this regard, many things. Yeah. Who is sadhu, who is asadhu,
Quem é
that
sábio, quem é assado,
do bhajan and sadhan, chant holy
mais
names.
assado não conhece seus nomes.
Prabhupada also many, they have already named. Many are. They are renounced order, then give up, they are renounced order, they enter in the
Prabhupada era renunciado.
household life, that they do this. So how to first you glorify? Or he is great sadhu, nice sannyasi, then after 10 years you saying, oh, he is bogus sadhu. How possible say this one? At a time you cannot write that the book.
Você não pode escrever livro já dessa pessoa.
Before you say,
Antes você
oh, he is a nice sannyasi, that this. Okay, write this, publish this book.
tá bom, aí você publica esse livro.
Then after 3 years,
Depois de alguns
when
anos,
he give up his sannyas base and
roupa de sannyasi,
stupid nonsense, that how possible to write
várias coisas tolas, aí
same life history?
você vai poder falar a mesma história, a mesma glorificação.
So for this regard, actual Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj,
Bhakti Siddhar Maharaj,
he, I think, as my remembrance,
de acordo com a minha memória,
maybe not, but I think so. This is the quotation of Bhakti
uma citação de Bhakti Siddhar.
So, just, I'm not 100%, but this quotation come from, I hope so. And he said, you glorify the sadhu, when sadhu will
Eu
be
escutei isso dele, né?
die and transfer
Você
in
deve
acid.
glorificar um sábio só depois que
Then you write, okay, he is good person, he is bad
transformado
person.
em cinza.
Huh? Understand? So this is the process. Glorification should be published after his
Então, a
death.
glorificação deve ser publicada depois da partida.
Understand? So, Mara Vrindavan Bihari Lal Ki Jai Jai Shri Ram. Oh, now 8 o'clock. Let prasadam go.
Esse é o primeiro que vocês me deram.